Kettlebell flutter kicks are a powerful core isolation exercise that combine the traditional flutter kick with the added challenge of kettlebell resistance. When performed with proper form, this move builds core strength, hip flexor endurance, and upper body stabilization. How to do kettlebell flutter kicks, step by step. Setup. Equipment: 1 kettlebell, moderate weight, exercise mat. Position: lie on your back on the mat. Movement: hold the kettlebell by the horns, sides of the handle, at your chest with both hands. 2. Lift your upper back and shoulders slightly off the mat. Engage your core to hold this crunch position. 3. Extend both legs out straight, about 6 to 12 inches off the ground. 4. Begin flutter kicks by alternating small, quick up and down movements of your legs, keeping them straight. One leg goes up while the other goes down. 5. Breathe steadily and maintain tension in your core throughout. 6. Aim for controlled kicks, not large or fast flailing. Rep sets. Time-based, 20 to 45 seconds per set. Repetition-based, 15 to 25 kicks per leg. Perform 3 to 4 sets. Muscles worked. Primary muscles: rectus abdominis, front of the abs. Main core stabilizer, keeps the torso curled. Transverse abdominis, deep core muscle that stabilizes the spine. Hip flexors, iliopsoas rectus femoris, actively work during leg movement. Lower abs, heavily engaged in maintaining leg position and motion. Secondary muscles, obliques, assist in stabilizing the trunk. Quadriceps, keep legs extended during the flutter. Serratus anterior and chest, engage slightly to stabilize kettlebell at chest. Shoulders, anterior deltoid, isometrically hold the kettlebell. Isometric activation, neck flexors and upper traps, slightly engaged from head being lifted. Forearms and grip, activated from holding the kettlebell tightly. Tips for effectiveness and safety: keep lower back pressed into the mat, avoid arching. Don't let your legs drop too low, keep control. If it's too hard, bend your knees slightly or do without the kettlebell first. Please check my next video.